Good morning and welcome to Wendy's Wellness Clinic. I am super excited to have Onessa here with us today because we are going to be talking about my favourite oil, or blend of oils, AromaTouch. So would you like to introduce AromaTouch to everybody and ways it can be used and why we would use it?
Yes, so this is the oil blend known as AromaTouch. It's also called the massage oil or the spa oil, which clearly indicates how we love using it.
Why it's my favourite. Yes.
Yes, indeed. AromaTouch is a blend of 6 particular oils that address the physical body, the muscles, the joints, that sort of thing. One of the oils contained is cypress, which is the oil of motion and flow. So that if you've got stagnation in the body, if you've got overworked muscles, overused muscles, inflammation, where things are sort of like stuck, cypress helps the movement again. So it clears out a lot of the inflammation. The other oils are basil and marjoram, and they directly affect muscles. So they ease any pain and discomfort in the muscles. And what else do we have? Oh, we have grapefruit. Grapefruit is a very cleansing oil, so that when things do stagnate and accumulate in the body, the grapefruit will help that move through.
Absolutely. So anything like the lactic acid, anything that's building up in the muscles after use, which is contributing to the tension, the grapefruit's great at sort of giving it a bit of a move along.
Yes, yes. And I know how you love to use it.
Yes, I do. My favourite bit. Few drops in some Epsom salt, stir it together and then pop it into the bath. So that's a really lovely way of using it. And actually, incidentally, with the AromaTouch, with a lot of the other blends and oils, we're able to use it in diffusers, we're able to ingest it, those types of things. But it's really important, I think, to note with AromaTouch.
This is a topical oil.
Yes.
Main use is for topical use.
Which is applying directly onto the skin.
Yes. Joints, muscles, if you've got backache, that sort of thing as well.
Cramps, anywhere where there's tension, it calms, it soothes, and it gets anything stagnated on the move.
Because it also contains lavender.
Yes.
Which is the calming and the soothing oil.
Yes. So of course, as per usual, if you're starting out on the oil journey, please make sure you refer to your healthcare professional before proceeding. And of course, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and we'd love to also have you subscribe. Thanks so much for coming in today and we'll see you again soon.
Pleasure.
Thanks then. Bye.
Bye-bye.